Okay, morning everyone. Welcome to this session number 501. And today we have this problem. It's video stitching. But well, the link. Yeah, it's in the chat. Okay, now you are given a series of video clips from 14 events that lasted time 6 seconds. These video clips can be overlapping with each other and have varying lengths. Okay. Each video clip is split by an array clips where clips in xi it's equal to star and n indicates that the ith clip start at the star and n at the end. Yeah, basically it's a star and n. We can cut these clips into segments freely. For example, a clip 0 to 7 can be cut into segments 0 to 1, 1, 3, and 3 to 7. Return the minimum number of clips needed so that we can cut the clips into segments that cover the entire sport event, 0 in time. If the task is impossible, return as 1. Okay. In this case, we have one array with, in this case, matrix, but in general, we have one array of arrays, and every subarray contains two values. The first value is the star, and the second is in the n, inclusive them. And in this case, we have one time. In this case, the time is 10. And we need to try to fill completely all the time starting in 0, I think, until reach this time. Yeah. But in this case, it mentioned that these video clips can be overlapping with each other and have, okay, we can overlapping these times. Let me get this to mirror. The objective with this problem is return the minimum number of clips needed so that we can cut the clips into segments that cover the entire sport event, 0 to time. Okay. Okay, return the minimum number of clips needed so that we can cut the clips into segments. Okay. Okay, we have this. Now, is 1, is 10, right? It's 10. Now, for example, we have 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yeah. And now, for example, we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 1, 9, 1, 5, minimum number of clips. Okay. And in this case, for example, I think that the first step is a sort because I need to know which clips I have until now or can fill completely this section. Yeah, one example. But in this case, if I sort this element, I think that the first is this one. But it's by is by the start and the length. Yeah, in this case, the length here is 2. The next, I think that is this because it's more longer than this. Is the 3, 1, 2, 5. Now the next is, I think that is this, is 4, 5, 6. Yeah. And if I sort in this way, the first is this, 0, 2, okay. Now the next that is 4 to 6. No, sorry. 1 to 9. Okay, means that each video is having an array. Indicates we can cut these clips into segments freely. For example, 0 to 7 can be cut in segment 0, 1, 3, 7. But here mentioned that we can overlapping. I think that basically here is one overlapping 1 to 9 here. Okay. 2. Okay. Now the next that, for example, in this case, I need one element that the n is greater, sorry, the n is greater than 9. Yeah. In this case, the second is this is done, this is done. The next that is this, and no. 5, it's minor at that 9. I need one greater than 9. The 4 is 4 to 6, no. 6 is minor to 9, no. The next that is 5 to 9. 9, it's minor, well, in this case, it's minor equal. Not equal a 9, it's not available. And now the next is, this case, the 6, 10, 10, it's minor equal 9. No, means that I can use it. Basically, with this is overlapping. Theory is like this. Yeah, in this case, is 1, 2, and 3. And the answer here is 3. Okay. We can take the clip 0, 2, 8, and 8, 10, and 1, 9. Okay. Where it's not possible, return less 1. Okay, now the constraints are the clips, the length of this array is at least contain 1 and maximum contain 100. Start and end is the same. The minimum, no, it's not the same. Is the start with the start can be 0 and the range is between 0 inclusive the 0 to 100. The time is between 1 and 100. Okay, all of them is 100 the maximum, and the minimum is 0 only for the start, but for the others it's necessary at least one element. Yeah. Now, well, again, I think that my idea with this is sort these values, sorry, sort these values and by the start and the length. Yeah, because if I sort by this, automatically I have the longest subarrays, and the tier n, yeah, this second parameter. And after have this sort, the idea is detect where is my pointer. I need one pointer here. For example, currently at the beginning is 0. I need one element starting for the first item that satisfies this. Yeah. If at the beginning I don't have any element, in the moment that I can't find one time that has satisfied this, for example, or for example, if I am here, yeah, and I am searching the elements that the n is greater equal 4, but doesn't appear. If this doesn't happen, means that is false automatically because I can satisfy this even if it's only one number. Yeah, I need a mandatory fill completely all the array. Okay, again, is have one pointer. In this case, this pointer is here. Yeah, and search the first element. In this case, the first element should be the longest. Yeah, for example, if appears 0, 2 and 0, 1, well, it's taken this. Yeah, satisfy this. And now, for example, where I search the next element, this is ignored because 1 it's minor, that 2 and is not okay. Okay, I can ignore. And yeah, only continue until the final. And yeah, I think that it's only that. Let me check. This is right. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I need to respond to work. Well, okay, yeah, the first is this, and I think that it's not necessary use a list and apply weird something because in this case, for example, I have the idea to okay, is used, has been used, remove it, but it's not necessary. Only with a simple index, I can replicate this behavior. Okay, now for the first, the more important is define the pointer. Sorry, integer pointer equals 0 means that what is the current end. For example, here the current is 2. Now change to 9, and then the final is 10. Yeah. Now the next is sort the arrays, sorry, the matrix. I think that arrays the sort in with the lambda a and b. In here is okay. The first is integer length is equal mat. No, it's not necessarily the mat ab. It's only a. In the position 0, no, in the position 1, 1 less 0. Yeah, the n less start plus 1. Yeah, because for example, if I have one array that it's possible have 0 to 0, I think that yeah. This, let me check. I have start and the end in the same. Yeah, okay. Got it. Now, now, okay, in this case, is length A, length B. In this case, is B, B. Okay, yeah, it's necessary the one because, for example, if I have one array that the start is 0 and n is 0, well, 0 less 0 is 0. In this case, I need note that affect one element, the length is 1. For the reason I add the one in this operation. Now the next that is if a in the position 0 is different to b in the position 0, both are different, return they get to I think that is in the compare. Uh-huh. A in the position 0, B in the position 0. Basically, I am saying that, for example, if I have these elements, I have these elements, and A is this, and B is this, and I am saying that the 0 it's different than 4. Yeah, in this case are different in this moment. Please sort by increase order. Yeah, with this only if I need to change the order, and instead increase order you want to apply a decrease order, is in essential only change the this. Yeah, but in this case is not necessary. And now in the case that aren't different, means that, for example, 0 0, I need return by the length. Yeah. And in this case, okay, one if um, the length, if the length A is greater length B, I need return A else B. Here I'm not sure. No, let me check forwards. I think that I need return one here in less one towards the razor. Mm. Mm-hmm. Works. I think that no, is return. Let me check. Sort specific. But you know what? Oh, with this, what is the reason? Works. I think that where the first is greater, return one. Okay. Return value, negative values, less than the 0. If x is less than y, if are equal, are greater. Okay. Where is negative? The first negative values. If the first, okay, I think that I need to have the three elements. Let's see. Else, the first is that less that if x, the first is length a, it's minor that length b, return is one. Else if it's when this greater that this, and is return one, and in this case is return 0 in the case that both. Okay, now I have sort this array. now what is the next? The next I have this sort. The next is search the first element or transversal while I know pointer. Pointer it's minor equal that time. No, it's not time. It's pointer is okay. This is meanwhile this is minor equal that is target or yeah. In this case, for example, 0 it's minor equal 10. Yeah, means that you need to perform. And now inside, I need to search the first element that the finish value is greater than my current pointer. In this case, for example, the pointer is in 0, means that I need to while here is while is figure I it's 0 in the clips array. Case I need to check if I it's minor that clips dot length is if clips in the position I the end is 0 1 the end should be if I take the end no the start should be minor equal my current pointer and the end should be greater the start no flip in start to be greater equal no minor equal pointer and flips and will be greater that pointer. Yeah, in this case, for example, the start will be minor equal pointer. In this case, the only scenario is the 0. It's not doesn't exist or can be exist the less 1 or something like that. Is the 0 and the end is because, for example, if I found this and maybe the end is this is not a good example for this. For example, if I am here, I need one element or the next element that the star is minor equal minor equal to, in this case, or 0 or 1. In this case is this. The 1 it's minor this, but at the same time, the end should be greater than the number 2. In this case is 9. What happened, for example, if I am in the final, I reach this? No. If I am in the 10, is done. No, I am right. And flips in the position I in the end greater that pointer. If happen this, pointer it's equal to this. And mm, what happened this? I'm not sure. Stop. If I have the false, for example, while is it? Okay, no, yeah, works. In this case, I would like to only stop in this moment because I found the next element. Yeah, and this increase before to stop because in other way I keep in the previous position. And here can be I need one condition to stop this because, for example, if doesn't exist the answer, like the time is 10, but I only have 0 to 1, 2, 3, for example, it's impossible to reach the 10, but the pointer keep in this position in this. Ah, yeah. And this, yeah, because in the moment that I complete all the clips, um, I can continue with this loop because it's not possible because I don't have more elements. Okay, here the pointer greater equal time return, and I need to count how many elements. Bigger counter is equal 0 and this here counter. Yeah, I need the array, I think. Okay, this I don't have more exception or why 9. Okay, the first I am the first why 021519 is incorrect. This is incorrect. It should be appear this instead of this. I have something wrong here. Okay, negative values less than 0 if x less than y. I think that I can if I return 0, okay, return compare in this. Okay, have the same result, but I think that is more. Oh, got it. Yeah, because in this case, for example, again, where you have an increased order means that the smallest numbers at the beginning is A and B, but this case, I would like to have in increased order, means that the highest element at the beginning and the shortest elements at the final. Yeah, well, with this works, and okay, I am close, I think. What is happening here? Result is 4. Okay, no, need to 0, 4. Mm. The pointer is 0 and time is 9. This minor than the length. Now here, this is 0. And now I need to ask this, the star is minor equal to the pointer. Yeah, because both are 0. And this is greater than that 0. Yeah, because it's 4. And that is take it and should continue. That. This is done. Okay, now here. Pointer right now have the 4, means that this should be ignored. This is the same. This is the same. This I need one element that is minor equal to 4, but is greater than 4 in the end. In this case, this is minor than 4, yeah, but this is not greater than 4 because it's 4 itself. Um, this is the same. I think that is this, the 2 and 6, because 2 is minor equal 4 and 6 is greater 4 than 4. Okay, 1, that is this, and now the next that is 0, 2. Ignore, yeah, now it's 0, 1. Yeah, it's ignore, now it's 1, 4. Yeah, it's ignore, now it's 1, 3. It's ignore, yeah, now it's 2, 6. In this case, should we execute this? clips only for check pointer. I is 6 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, increase and now this should be 7. Now I need one pointer. Now the star should be minor than 6. That is this. Yeah, 2 its minor equal 6. But the 5 is not greater than 6. Basically, I need one element greater than, in this case. No, no, yeah, here, for 7. 1, 2, and 3 finally. 4, 7. Yeah. Now the pointer change to 6 to 7. Yeah. And this increase in 1. Now I have 3. Yeah. And the pointer is 7. 0, 1. No, sorry. Is 10. The index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here. And my current time is 9. Means that I need search first element that end after the 9. In this case, no, 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 and no. Means that is not possible. No, 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 but the time is 9. And currently I am in the 7, sorry. 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. I'm here. 2, 5. No, sorry. The I is the index in the array. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I am here. Yeah? I am here. And now my pointer is 7. I need one element greater than 7. In this case, no, 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 sorry, 7, this. Yeah, in this case, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, I think that is this. No, no, is the next. Okay, 13. Perfect. Now I reach this 7. Okay. I think that with one condition here. And pointer, I think that it's only this. Python stop where pointer, it's 9. Pointer in this case, for example, reach the 9 and increase. Is increase 2 because it's a new element. Break, this should be stop. Is until reach the 13th, right? I is 4, 6, 11, 12. Okay, it's here. Now a pointer is 7. Pointer is 3. Increase 1, there 1, now is 4. What? I will print here. Okay, I am saying that the answer is 0, 4, 4, 7, 2, and 6. Okay, the error here is 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Why I am taking 2 and 6? 6, 1. Here, 0 to 4. Okay, now the pointer is 4. Now I need one element greater than 4. No, 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 no. Yeah. And this, no. Okay, yeah, got it. I need to continue with the loop, not only where I search the first element is stop the current until the current video clip, yeah, uh, the start is greater than my pointer. In this case, for example, I am here. Okay, I take the 0 to 4. My pointer is 4. And now I need to move until the star is greater than 4 and only track or keep the maximum or the longest the longest override. For example, 0, 3, no, is discard because 3 is minor than 4. Is discard for the same. Discarded, the same because 3 it's minor than 4. Okay, in this case, for example, appear the first, we have this, but in this case, the 2, it's minor at the pointer that is 4. I need the first element greater than my pointer in the start. Yeah, okay, now we have this 2 to 6. Okay, this is taken, but the difference between 2 and 6 and 2 and 5 is that this is more greater, yeah, because it's 4, and in this case is 3. I keep with this. Now 3 to 4, okay, the 3 is still minor than 4. Well, it's discard because the n it's equal to 4. I need one greater. Now 4 to 6, in this case the 4 it's is minor equal the pointer that is 4, okay, and the 7 is greater than this. Okay, now I need to check between 2 and 6 and 4 and 7 which have the greater element. Oh, but here I think that I need to take the yeah, I need to take the current pointer, the n less the current pointer. For example, 6 less 4 it's equal to, in this case 7 less 4 it's equal to 3, means that with this I can affect more elements. I think that keep with this and I still continue. Now is 4 to 5 is discard because the start um, yeah, I think that here I need continue with this until this end. the end keeps in the position I end the start greater greater that pointer and here this is comment. Okay, I think that I need comment all of them and only this where the clips minor equal pointer clips. Okay, here I need to say the integer max it's equal I think that's 0. No, it's an in the index the I think, and here I need to check where the current clip it's minor equal to the pointer means that and the same time is greater that at this pointer I need to check if clips in the position max in position 1 this should be greater than pointer. In this case is this plus pointer. I am asking how many elements I am affecting if I apply if I use this clip. If this is graded that sorry is this if it's graded that this means that the current clip is much better for us. Yeah, max is equal and continue and continue and continue and will be a stop where when the star is graded at the pointer. In this moment, this is minor. In the moment that is greater, I'm not sure if it's minor or minor equal. I have this doubt. But in this case, for example, where the star, meanwhile the star it's minor at the pointer, continue, continue. The moment that is greater means that you need to stop and you have here the elements. Yeah, in this case, if no, is max counter plus pointer it's equal clips the positions in the one that is the end. Maybe is graded. and print zero 04 or in 7. Why still using this tips in 0? Now it zero 04. Oh, my pointer. Pointer is 0. Take the first and out. Yi is 0. Don't increase. Yeah, because it's out. Okay, let me check. Output to y. The time is 5. Pointer greater than 02. It's because take the first, in this case 02. Now my pointer to now I need that the start should be minor that pointer. Case is not right here. Pointer is I think that with one flag it's enough. Boolean false. Is that happen this at least one time? True, and I can do this if flag this and now flag it's equal false. Weird. Oh, I think that is in here. I don't see my error. So that is it's for the first, I think. Pointer it's equal. This pointer is zero. The minor at 5. This is minor at the length. Okay, this is false. This for the first, for example, is 0. 0 is minor that minor equals 0. If mm, it's minor equal that my pointer, but is greater than my pointer, and enable this means that I modify, I can apply this. It's not the final result, but I can use this, means that an operation can perform. Continue and continue. This false. This is true. Pointer plus plus. Pointer it's this. Now to the next. I don't know why keep here for a 0 0 2. What? don't appear anything. Why? Not true. Now I am in the index 0, and 0 it's minor that 2, and clips in the first position that this, the 0 it's minor equal 0, now the 0 it's minor equal this pointer. I think that this is not necessary because I am doing the same here. Yeah, or I can come. Okay, I will get the same result. Mhm. But now I would like to know why. I take the first. In this case, the first element is 0 to 2. The pointer is 0, means that I can take this as an option. And now I am asking clips in the index 1, 2, the 0 is 2. Okay. And here is plus 1, I think. I these clips in the first position, this less 0 is 2, plus 1 is 3. This is greater. Okay. For this, don't take the first. I think that I need to initialize as 1 here. No, it's an exception. Yeah. Yeah, it's for this. Yeah, because 0 it's greater than. I think that I can only use the greater equal. Why? I is 0, 2, the 0 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 3 is greater equal that, well, in essential it's same as max is 0. Is taken. Now is able. Increase. Now this pointer is 0. Pointer is greater than 4. No, it's stop. This is true. Uh, Here, flag again is false. It's that the length that is 2 clips in the index 1 is 4. It's minor equal pointer, and my pointer is 2. Okay. And in this moment, don't happen nothing and keep in the same. Yeah, it's because this never reached the last position. Okay. I think that I need to divide this. And this. Break, but this is still increasing. But I need to increase before the break. Pointer 9. Right? 'Well, I think that it's one error concern to this increase, but I'm not sure. I think that it's enough of this transmission, but thanks for following this streaming, and I hope see you in the next. Bye.